अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आज हम आपके लिए लाए हैं 30 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs ऑफ 12th क्लास केमिस्ट्री चैप्टर नंबर 9। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट MCQs है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एसिड कैन बी यूज एज कैटलिस्ट इन द फ्रेडल्स क्राफ्ट रिएक्शन, एंड योर ऑप्शंस आर AlCl3, HNO3, BeCl2 या NaCl। The correct answer is AlCl3. The next MCQ is about during nitration of benzene, the active nitrating agent is NO3, NO2, NO-2 या HNO3. The correct answer is NO2. The electrophile in aromatic sulfonation is H2SO4, HSO4, SO3 plus या SO3. And the correct answer is SO3. Hydrogen to carbon ratio is aromatic hydrocarbons is low, high, equal या none. The correct answer is low. The second substitution in benzene ring would give rise isomeric products 1, 2, 3 या 4. And the correct answer is 3. The next MCQ is about molecular mass of benzene is determined by vapor density method, X-ray diffraction, elemental analysis या degradation method. And the correct answer is vapor density method. CH bond lengths in benzene are 0.99, 1.09, 1.12 या 1.397. And the correct answer is 1.09. Each carbon in benzene ring is dash hybridized sp, sp2, sp3 या none of these. And the correct answer is sp2. The next MCQ is on hydrogenation benzene liberates energy. Your options are given below. And the correct answer is 208. The next MCQ is the benzene ring is oxidized to maleic anhydride when strongly heated with nickel, V2O5, AlCl3 या sunlight. And the correct answer is V2O5 under the 450 degree centigrade. Next MCQ is main source of aromatic compound is petroleum, coal tar, living organism या dead marine animals. And the correct answer is coal tar. The next MCQ is when acetylene is heated at 300 degree in cube tube, the product obtained is benzene, thiophene, divinyl acetylene या xylene. And the correct answer is benzene. Which of the following species is ortho and para director? CHO minus SO3H या NO2 या Cl. And the correct answer is Cl. The next MCQ is the carbon-carbon bond distance is in benzene is 1.54, 1.34, 1.2 या 1.39. And the correct answer is 1.39. The next MCQ is in toluene synthesis by Frederick Kraft, the reactant in addition to anhydrous AlCl3 are. Your options are given below. Correct answer is C6H6CH3Cl. Benzenophenone is also known as biphenyl dimethyl ketone, diphenyl ketone या methyl phenyl ketone. And the correct answer is diphenyl ketone. The next MCQ is the number of possible isomers of xylene are 2, 3, 4 or 5. The correct answer is 3. The next MCQ is the molecular formula of naphthalene is C10H8, C10H10, C10H12 या C12H12. The correct answer is C10H8. The next MCQ is chlorine is react with benzene in the presence of sunlight to give chlorobenzene, benzoyl chloride, orthopara dichlorobenzene या hexachlorobenzene. The correct answer is hexachlorobenzene. The next MCQ is effect of substituent on benzene ring is due to resonance, inductive effect, both A and B या unpredictable. And the correct answer is both A and B. The next MCQ is in which of the following cases the benzene ring is isolated? Naphthalene, phenanthrene, anthracene या triphenylmethane. The correct answer is triphenylmethane. The next MCQ is benzene is stable than ethane because it has more pi bonds, localized pi electron, delocalized pi electron या more sigma bonds. The correct answer is delocalized pi electrons. The next MCQ is which of the following is ortho and para directing group? OH, OCH3, CHO या NH2. And the correct answer is OH. Next MCQ is among the following compound which can be readily sulfonated? Phenol, benzene, nitrobenzene या chlorobenzene. The correct answer is phenol. Structure of benzene is resonance hybrid of all structures. Your options are 3, 4, 5 or 6. And the correct answer is 5. The next MCQ is aromatic hydrocarbons are derivatives of paraffin, alkene, benzene या cyclohexane. And the correct answer is benzene. The next MCQ is which of the following explains the structure of benzene? Atomic orbital treatment of benzene, resonance method, both A, B या none. And the correct answer is both A and B. The next MCQ is the conversion of N-hexane into benzene by heating in the presence of given formula is called isomerization, aromatization, D-alkylating या rearrangement. And the correct answer is aromatization. Benzene does not undergo addition, substitution, polymerization या aromatization. And the correct answer is polymerization. The last MCQ is about cyclic structure of benzene was proposed by Dever, Frede, Down या Kikol. And your correct option is Kikol. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, then do subscribe the channel and don't forget to like and share our video. Allah Hafiz.